Hey friends, this is a fast-moving video, so if you blink, you just might miss something. Hey, replacing an outlet is easy. One of the first things you want to do is make sure the power is off, and I do that with something that makes noise, like a vacuum cleaner. Ground wire goes on the green screw, neutral goes on the shiny one, normally on the side of the ground wire, and the black one goes on the dull side, or the line side. Make sure those wires are screwed in there nice and tight. You don't want them to pull out when you push it back in. Make sure you test it to make sure it works. Hey, if you liked what you seen in this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and swat that subscribe button.